Good evening everyone. So now you will see my picha about myself. This is for education purpose only, to be submitted to Ma'am Leslie Kuya, to my instructor purposive communication. Hello, I'm Rochelle Enberga, 18 years old. I was born on September 10, 2006. I live in San Pedro, Cabuzao, Kamsur. In the young daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Nancy Enberga, we are 9 in the family at youngest child. And now, next proceed primary education. I started elementary San Pedro Elementary School. And now, I started junior high school at Barceloneta Fishery School. I was have a problem since birth, and I was able to since birth Barceloneta High School when I was grade 8. When I stepped in senior high school, there was a pandemic COVID-19 and we students were affected. And now, to them a college student, I become more passionate and independent, and I take a course Bachelor of Science and Environmental Science. I thought I would never meet new friends due to pandemic, but then came and adapt my friend attitudes. And now, let me introduce to my friends. Garingo John Vincent and he my enemies. We met 2024 during classmate high school. In terms of my music taste, BTS song, Blackpink, sad song. And then my hobby, I love volleyball playing because I want to famous because volleyball. My favorite color is blue. Regarding to my characteristic, I am independent because I have a mind, my own and opinion. Ambivert because extrovert and introvert. I like people but I need to be alone. Visionary because I have a strong future.